At Expert Lock and Key, we're a family-owned business serving Charlotte for over 5 years. We offer key duplication, repair and rekey of locks, high security locks, safe openings and repair. We service all residential and commercial locksmith needs. Need a new transponder key? Why have your car towed to the dealer when we can come to you and make a brand new key for less? Locked out of your house or car? Expert Lock and Key will have you back in no time at all. For all your locksmith needs in the Charlotte area, make sure you call Expert Lock and Key.